Hello, friend. Good morning and welcome all of you in my self-talking journey, day 429. So, last 1 year, I continue this self-talking journey, and basically, in morning, I encourage everyone and to take care of their body, soul, mind. We all know health is wealth. We should take care of our health, but we are procrastinate. So, personally, I am getting benefited from this self-talking journey in morning ritual, prayer, jogging, the spiritual practice taking care of my body, soul, mind, and I want everyone to get this kind of benefit. It, the benefit what I am getting it helps me to make a strong mindset. It helps me to boost my confidence level and many more things. Is I get valued in my organization, in my friend circle, everywhere. And actually, it helps me to transform ourselves. Yes, transformation. Transformation is very, very important and it start with small. If you're thinking a lot but not taking any action, that will not work. So the Puri framework, I most of the time I am saying that knowledge, understanding, realization, and implementation. Knowledge itself is not sufficient, and realization also it's not sufficient. But what is main important, and that is realization and taking proper action constantly towards our goal. That is the main important things. So আমি এই সেলফ টকিং জার্নি থেকে আমি যেটা পার্সোনালি প্রথমে সেই সেলফ টকিং জার্নি প্রতিদিন আজকে যেমন 429 এপিসোড ওর কিন্তু লাস্ট 1-2 ডেজ মাঝামাঝি গ্যাপ যাচ্ছে আমার, কিন্তু আমি নিজেকে যেটা ঘুমানোর আগে প্রতি সময় প্রশ্ন করি, হোয়াট আই এম প্ল্যানিং টু ডু, আই এম ডুইং অর নট. But yes, I am not leaving the things mid of the way. Actually, I just transfer my I now I just thinking how people will get benefited. So I am making some tutorial, and I spend the same amount of time as because so it's very difficult by managing in time and after doing work and all those things, really ritual. Yes, so this self-talking conversation, I now just move to another things, that is create a learning episode, learn and grow series is. And last 3-4 days I continuously successfully just launch one episode every day, and I am really thanks to the entire university, yes, I able to run this thing. So what I am saying, so today I am start with something, but yes, slowly it is give new level of understanding, and we can start to do something in new. Yes, new ideology, new idea, new concept is coming. And if we really just think 1% improvement every, then I think no one can stop. So যে বোঝে সে খোঁজে, আর যে খোঁজে সে পায়। তো আমরা কি করে আমাদের প্রতিদিনে কি করে আমাদের লাইফে 1% ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট আর কখনো প্রবলেম বা সমস্যাকে আমাদের জীবনের অঙ্গ বানাবো না। আমরা ভাববো যে প্রবলেম আর সমস্যা, প্রতিটি প্রবলেম প্রতিটি সমস্যা আমাদের জীবনে আসে শুধু আমাদেরকে একটা নেক্সট লেভেলে নিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য। তো সবসময় সমস্যা শুধু আমাদের অভিশাপ নয়, সমস্যা অনেক সময় আমাদের আশীর্বাদ। তো আমাদেরকে মাইন্ডসেটের পরিবর্তন দরকার। আর আমরা এখন এআই তে আছি, এআই এজ, এখন আমরা কিন্তু কম্পিউটার এজ থেকে এআই এজে চলে এসেছি। অনেক মুভি ফাস্ট, লাইফ এখন অনেক ফাস্ট হয়ে গেছে। এই সো আমাদেরকে জানতে হবে হাউ উই ইউজ নিউ টুলস, টেকনোলজি and new way, as that we can grow. Not we are grow, we help our society to make better lifestyle, how they um, just get the freedom, how they mentally peace is. So that kind of things, how I develop the contribution mindset. And so that I want, and I think we, if we want jointly, we can change our a better society, and we can do anything. After all, we are human being. Human can alter their lives by altering their attitude of mind. And another things, your beliefs becomes your thought becomes your word becomes your action becomes your habit, your right habit becomes your value, create your true value, and your value create your destiny. So work for your destiny, start with right belief system. As because there is right belief system and wrong belief system. If you convert your wrong belief system into right belief system, then it's a true transformation. And at first we have to know what is my strength, what is my weakness. The big company, what they are doing, they work on the SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. If we know ourselves, if we love ourselves, if we care ourselves, then only it's possible that we love others, we care others. So love yourself, care yourself, then only you able to contribute in the society. You make a better relation, and you give, contribute, create value to the organization, to the society. So love yourself, care yourself, and develop a contribution mindset each and every day. Start with a small. যে বোঝে সে খোঁজে। আশা করি আপনারা খুব ভালো থাকবেন, আপনারা নিজেরা খুব খুব সাকসেস হবেন। বাই বাই, সি ইউ।